Hello student. Now I'm taking the topic foot of the perpendicular drawn from a given point on a given straight line. Foot of the perpendicular, it means the coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular. Now suppose this is the straight line, this is the given point. From this point you are drawing the perpendicular. So this is the line. Suppose the equation of the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and the point is P whose coordinate is x1 comma y1. Now in this one you have to find out the coordinate of this point, which is foot of the perpendicular. So student, the general way is what? Just listen. This line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and PQ is perpendicular to this line. So therefore, using the property if two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, we can find out the slope of PQ because of you have already from the equation slope of this given line. Slope of the given line is minus a upon b. So slope of this PQ will be b by a. Now you have the slope of PQ. You have the point x1 comma y1 through which this line PQ will pass. So using the point slope form, you can find out the equation of PQ. Now, once you get the equation of PQ, by solving this equation and the equation of PQ, you will get the coordinate of Q. After simplification, means after simplification, you will get the coordinate of Q, which comes in the form of, I'm writing here as a direct formula, if the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular, that is Q, is x comma y, then x comma y can be find out using this relation, and the relation is x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. Using this relation, you can find out the foot of the perpendicular, that is x comma y. By solving this first and third, after equating the first and third, you can find out the value of x, and after equating the second and third, you can find out the value of this y. So the student, now after finding the foot of the perpendicular, you can find out the image of a given point with respect to a given line. Means a straight line when a straight line is act as a plane mirror, then in that case what will be the image of the point? Suppose this is the point P, x1 comma y1, and this is the line whose equation is given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and then you have to find out the image of this point on this straight line. So suppose the student, image of the point P is this P dash, suppose it is x comma y. So these 2 points when you join, it should be the perpendicular on the given straight line. This Q you have, this Q is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point Px comma y on the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If P dash is the image of this point, then Q will be the midpoint of PP dash. By using this previous formula, you can find out the coordinate of Q. Now using the midpoint formula, we can calculate the coordinate of P dash. This is the one method. The second method is if P dash x comma y be the image of the point P x1 comma y1 on the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then we can find out P dash with the help of x minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. So student, you can see the difference between the foot of the perpendicular and the image of a point on a straight line. Here, in the case of the foot of the perpendicular, it is x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. And in the image, everything is same except this 2. In the image, you have to multiply by 2.